I'll be removing this bezel and trim from this console area pretty fast on a Chrysler 200. In fact, it will take you less than 5 minutes to do this. The only tool you need is a flat tip screwdriver and optionally a pair of pliers. Start from any corner you want and lightly pry around the bezel trim. Then carefully pull the trim outwards. Now let's remove the lower connector that controls the flashers and traction control. Squeeze the tab and pull it out. Now lift the bezel upwards and you'll see another connector that controls the clock. Like before, you'll feel a tab. Press it and pull it out. If difficult, you can use the pliers and squeeze and pull at the same time to remove any of the connectors. This trick has helped me before by using pliers. Let me know in the comments if you use the pliers to squeeze and pull out these connectors, or if you have a better way, if too difficult, removing with your fingers. I'll also put all tools used in the description below, as well as a written step-by-step guide. If this has helped, please like and subscribe for more free helpful ways for you to fix your car yourself without going to a mechanic. This is the entire dash bezel unit console with heated vents, clock, and buttons. If you want to also remove the radio or climate control, I'll leave the links to those videos in the description below. Now to reinstall. Of course, you'll just reconnect each of the connectors, and then just tap this bezel trim console into place. That easy, simple, and straight to the point. Like, subscribe, and check out the other helpful videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and always think how to fix car yourself to save money and learn. See you later.